everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to draw water, and I'm starting with the sketch, the initial sketch. So first of all, I'm going to draw out the sketch of a drop of water with my pencil. And then I'll be moving forward to the next step by adding some shading on the surface or the circle I have created. And now I'm using my, tissue paper to blend in well so that it can be even. Then on the other side, I am drawing the shadow of the water drop. So you can see right now I'm adding more darkness or more shadow onto the image. And here I'm using my pencil eraser to erase out the excess shading or the excess powder of the pencils. And at this other side, I'm getting out the edge of the other side of the water drop. And it is important to use your tissue paper to blend in very well. Even your fingers can be used for blending. And now this side, I'm erasing out the excess shading at the edges of the shadow and the edges of the water drop. And I go deep inside again to to shade or blend the pencil powder. And here I'm drawing out the reflection or highlights of the water from the other side of the drop of water. Highlights on this is very necessary or important if you want to bring out the realism in the drawing. The highlights must be there. This is what gives it life and makes it look realistic. And emphasis on the edges, as I said before. You have to make sure that the edges are clean and sharp. This also helps in bringing out the realism in your drawing. So I blend again with my tissue paper. And I'm taking the edges and the shadow. So I go again with my white pencil and I blend again. And I make sure that the other side or the left side of the water drop is more highlighted than the middle and the other side of it. I'm adding more darkness, more shadow to the drawing. And I blend again with my finger. So here I come again to redo the highlights on the right side of the water drop because the first one was not impressive enough for me. So with this highlight, which shows the reflection of the light, makes the work or the water drop looks more realistic than when there is nothing like highlights on it. So we use white pencil to create such highlights. And here is a finished job. You can see that it looks like a water drop. Subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. Thank you.